I my eyes are pretty bloodshot. I have had a full day of crying and a major meltdown. It doesn't really matter what triggered it. The bottom line is it's because of the fact that I feel like such a failure. I didn't mind losing my home, and I didn't mind losing $1 million plus in investments from fraud. And my disease is controllable. I'm alive only because of okra. At 77, I'm not able to control the Parkinsonism like I used to, and I'm just burnt out and very depressed at the indifference in Canada, at the fact that we have laws that allow for victims to lose, like my mother and I, to lose our homes, to title theft and mortgage fraud, all due to secret filing, and it is legal, thousands every year. And I can't get anybody in media to expose the stories of the truth. So I don't know. I don't know where to go from here. I've exhausted everything that I know how to do. I've sent out to every federal member of parliament all the evidence and all your documented evidence of the victims, including my mother, and other stories. The few that made media, I posted it all, and I just can't get any support. I can't break the wall of indifference. We have a law in this country, Canada, in every province but Saskatchewan. Now, secret filing is banned in Alberta and Manitoba, but that doesn't mean that they don't have mortgage fraud, because they do. Because in the law, you're not required to give notice to every registered owner before any change is made on title. So any SOB can come along and stick their damn name on your property and put an illegal mortgage on your property, and you don't even get the right to be notified. You don't even get the right to be notified. And I can't get that through to people. They think I'm talking about home invasion theft. No, I'm talking about your home. I'm talking about your property. I'm talking about your real estate investments. We lost everything, people. And we're not alone. Thousands every year, billions of dollars. It costs money in your taxes. Don't you get it? Even if you didn't lose your home, you're paying for the taxes of the fraud. Somebody's got to pay for the fraud. The criminals aren't. They get away with it scot-free. Most of them are long gone by the time you find out about it. Only a handful. Like, I researched 100 years. You know how many made it to court? I'm still trying, and it's 4 years later, and I still haven't made it to court, okay? $100,000 later. Used up all my life savings trying to get rights for Canadians. My new lawyer, Mr. Longstreet, God bless him, pointed out to me what a terrible mistake I made trying to do it through the court system. What an idiot I am. It's up to your politicians and your members of parliament, and they don't give a shit. And your prime minister doesn't give a shit. And I don't know about Doug Ford, if he cares or not. He's got a lot on his plate. But for now, I support him, okay? I do support him, and I voted for him, and I'm not unhappy about that, because nobody else was doing anything. I contacted everyone several times, every newspaper, every TV station. I mean, the list is endless, and I can't get anybody to care. So, so I had a meltdown so bad, I just wished I was dead. And if Dan hadn't stopped me, I would have killed myself. I'm not proud that I become that suicidal, but my life has been a complete holocaust. You people don't know what happens to people who are robbed of everything, and it's legal by secret filing in Canada. So if you own property in Canada and you're from Russia, well, good luck. A couple from India just lost their home in Brantford. 17 million in fraud on the bridle path. Yeah, but they had title insurance. Yeah, see, almost every homeowner, coast to coast, doesn't know anything about title insurance in Canada. The lawyers don't tell you, the real estate brokers don't tell you, the real estate agents don't even know about it, and most of the lawyers don't even know about it. Mine happens to be a little around 80, he's more my age. I'm 77, so he's around my age, so he's been a real estate lawyer long enough that he does know about it. But he admitted that people don't ask for it. I said, how can they ask for something that they don't know about? So he promised me from now on, if he ever gets any more real estate customers, he'll be telling them, because title insurance is an absolute must. Would you buy a home and own a building without fire insurance? I don't think so. Well, how come you don't have mortgage title insurance? Maybe if there was more title insurance and the insurance companies had to foot the bill for the billions of dollars that Canadians are losing every year because of theft of their homes and their properties, and they have no legal recourse because the criminals are long gone. And only one case made it to Supreme Court. The rest lost their case in lower court. So imagine that. We have laws in Canada that make it legal for a criminal to steal your home. Yeah, and you see, it's so far-fetched that nobody believes me. But I've got all the evidence on my website, and I am shutting down. I have to shut this down. I'm sick to my stomach. I've got migraines. I'm taking paralyzing attacks, and I can't keep doing this. But I hate failure, Like I said, I don't mind losing my home. I don't mind that I became homeless. I don't mind that I lost over $1 million. But what I mind is that you don't give a goddamn one little bit. Yes, that's what I care about. I don't know. I need an American out there. Is there an American out there, a good humanitarian American out there that'll publish this story for me? Because you sure ain't going to get it done in Canada. Anyway, I don't know what more to say. I've done everything humanly possible. I've tried to write it so that it's fractionization to get you emotionally involved, and nobody cares. Nobody cares. Anyway, this is making me sick. So, I'm not going to keep putting this out. I've written everything on my website, and I've got all the articles on LinkedIn, which has gotten me nowhere. And I put them all out on YouTube, which has gotten me nowhere. So this is, I hope, to be my last one. We get the government we deserve, people. If you don't care, and you become a victim, and then you care, and it's too late, well, tough tit. Anyway, what can I say to make you care? I don't know. I just don't know. I have nothing but regret. I should have taken all my money and put it in an advertising agency and put the story out myself. That's when I still had money and power. But I wasn't smart enough. I got brain damage. What's your excuse?